In or about 2010, the Enforcement Directorate was investigating certain matters concerning Mr. Lalit Modi. At the request of the ED, Mr. Lalit Modi's passport was cancelled in or about 2011. I returned as Minister of Finance on 1/8/2012. During a routine briefing, I was briefed about the cases being investigated by the ED, including the case concerning Mr. Lalit Modi. ED reported that Mr. Lalit Modi had left India and was at that time in the United Kingdom without a valid passport. ED had issued show cause notices and summons to appear to Mr. Lalit Modi, but he had not appeared in person. ED therefore requested that I may take up the matter with my counterpart, the Chancellor of the Exchequer, Mr. George Osborne. After due consultations within the government, it was decided that I may take up the matter with the UK Chancellor. Mr. Osborne and I discussed the matter at a bilateral meeting. I wrote a letter to Mr. Osborne, to which Mr. Osborne replied. In response, I wrote another letter to Mr. Osborne. You will kindly appreciate that I am recalling the events from memory. The letters exchanged between Mr. Osborne and me are the best evidence. Both the context and the contents will be known if the letters are made public. The gist of the letters was, and I speak from memory, that Mr. Lalit Modi was being investigated under the laws of India, that his passport had been cancelled, and he had no right to travel outside India or to remain in the UK, and that the UK government may take steps to send him back to India. I understand that Mr. Lalit Modi has made some charges against the UPA government. The charges are laughable and do not deserve a reply. The complete answer to the charges can be found in the letters exchanged between Mr. Osborne and me. In a way, Mr. Arun Jaitley, the Finance Minister, has repelled the charges by confirming that the ED was indeed investigating 16 cases against Mr. Lalit Modi and had issued show cause notices to him in 15 of those 16 cases. However, the matter does not end there. The conduct of Ms. Sushma Swaraj, the External Affairs Minister, in facilitating the issue of a travel document to Mr. Lalit Modi when his passport stood cancelled and he was avoiding an inquiry by the ED, also raises a number of important questions.